Welcome to Flow-Based Code. Now let's see how to use the Finance tab under the Client Tracker template. So here we have the Finance tab. So I'll just try to go inside the Finances tab on the Client Tracker template. So here on the left hand side, you can see the quick action buttons like to go and create a new finance record and then add a new invoice over here. Below this, you have the complete navigation menu. Then on the right hand side, you will be able to see the insights. Like the detailed KPIs, you'll be able to see the financial statistics and the invoice statistics over here. So you can see like the total client payment, the budget spent, all these things you'll be able to completely see it. So here like totally how many invoices you have created, how many are late, how many are overdue, how many have been paid. So all these things you'll be able to completely track from here. Then you have the payment alerts. So here you can see the overdue invoices, the pending invoices, then the late payments you'll be able to completely see over here. Then below this one you have your finance records. So here you can see all the finance records over here completely. Then you can see you have the most profitable. You will be able to completely see it over here. Then you also one more filter that is nothing but the highest contract. So you'll be able to see the highest contracts value over here completely. So this is about all your finance records you can maintain here. Then you have your complete invoice records over here. So here you can see all your invoices over here. So you have like different like columns like your status, issue date, due date, the payment, like for which project, and then like what is going to be payment method, the clients linked, all these things you'll be able to completely see over here. So here you have filters like the paid filter, the pending filter, and by client also you can see the complete filter. So for this particular client, how many invoices are there, you'll be able to completely track from here. So this is about the complete finances page on the client tracker template. So by adding all your finance details and the invoices, you can just try to track your complete finances with the help of this particular page on the client tracker template.